Okay, I'm just gonna put a little touch of water. Maybe a little more. Let's see. It might be good. I don't want to put too much for my paste. And then I'm just gonna add a little baking soda. Mmm. Let's see. It might be too pasty. Let's see. Do I need another touch of water? Maybe a little touch of water again. Okay, put a touch of water. Let's see what happens now. It might be a little bit better. Okay, there it is. The rust. You're supposed to go with the grain. I think it's straight up and down on this one. And here's my little paste. Let's get a little bit on here. Ooh. Still might be too pasty, but we're gonna try it anyway. Okay. Now let's see. Oh, I missed it. It looks like it's coming out. How about this one? Ooh, I think it did work. Mostly. I mean, there might be a little bit. Ooh, there's a big naughty one over there. Let's try it. Maybe the big one needs more paste. There's a little bit more paste. Oh, I think it's worked. Try not to press too hard. Just a light touch. Even though I feel like pressing really hard. Ooh. Okay. Let's get a little wet towel. Just with some water on it. Did pretty good. It mostly went away. Maybe a little more. Is that dirt? Why won't my paste stick to it? There we go. It's hard to find now. It's harder to see. How about this big one? Did we already get this one, or is it a different one? Oh my goodness. I don't think it makes it go away 100%, but more like 78%. Maybe 90. Let's do a little bit more on this big naughty one. Now, let's get our little wet towel. See, it's still there a little. It looks a lot better. I mean, I can see it in the camera, but I really can't see it with my naked eye. I think this is a good one. A good thing. It's not 100%, but it's, you know, close. Like I said, I'm looking at it from a different angle with my eye, and I can't see it, but when I look through the camera, you can see it a little bit. Now I'll use wipe it off with some water some more. Then put this fridge polish on it. And then it'll look pretty again. I think that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye.